Experience quick, easy and hassle-free paper crafting with the One-Go system. In an effort to simplify and elevate the crafting process and promote sustainable crafting, Altenew is proud to present the game-changing One-Go system. Altenew's One-Go system helps crafters stamp multiple images in a single fluid motion or use a single die to cut out all of the elements in one go. These ingenious products embody the essence of One-Go, seamlessly uniting repetitive crafting processes like stamping, foiling, stenciling and die cutting into one easy step. These revolutionary products not only save time and effort, it also ensures precise and seamless stamping and die cutting every single time. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned crafters to save time on crafting. Here are the current products in our One-Go series. The One-Go Birthday Greeting Stamp Set features 12 birthday greetings in different fonts. Simply stamp the greeting once onto your favourite piece of cardstock and use the coordinating die to cut out all the strips in one go. One-Go Loving Sentiment Stamp Set is a sequel to the popular One-Go Birthday Greetings. This set offers 12 heartfelt love and appreciation sentiments for every occasion. The One-Go Birthday Greetings die set coordinates both with the One-Go Birthday Greetings Stamp Set and the One-Go Loving Sentiment Stamp Set. With this die set you'll have 12 different sentiment strips for multiple projects, all in one go. Other products with this system include Craft Your Life Project Kit Sweet Buttercups, Build a Garden Dancing Poppies, Dynamic Duo Floral Whimsy, Craft Your Life Project Kit Floral Acanthus, and One-Go Essential Sentiments. Stay tuned because there are even more exciting additions on the horizon. Experience quick, fun and hassle-free crafting in one easy step using Altenew's One-Go system. Don't miss out, visit altenew.com to explore the One-Go products.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.